Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use an Oracle wallet with the Oracle Database Connector. This connector supports the Oracle Wallet feature of the Oracle database. This allows a username and password in the encrypted format. This guide assumes that you have installed an appropriate driver to connect to your Oracle database and that you are using a locally hosted atom. First, you need to create the Oracle wallet in your Oracle database. If you need assistance generating an Oracle wallet, you can reach out to your database administrator or consult Oracle's documentation on doing so. You should have a zip file for the wallet that contains the TNS names and the wallet location folders. Next, you should unzip the wallet zip file in a location of your choice. This should happen on the same machine that is hosting the atom that you're going to connect. Make note of the full path for that location so you can reference it later. Create a new Oracle database connection and fill in the correct connection URL, class name, username, and password for the connection. The connection URL will need to follow the format pictured above. You will also need to fill in the correct information for your database. You also need to set the above properties as connection properties on the same page. You should follow the pictured format, but fill in the correct file paths for where you store the TNS entry and the wallet folder. This is how the connection properties should look when added to the Oracle database connection. Now that you've filled out all of the connection information and properties, try testing the connection. If all of the info is correct, then the text connection should be successful. And that's all you have to do to use an Oracle wallet with the Oracle Database Connector. Thanks for watching.